Moosend Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to Moosend are in the description below. In this review, I'll be sharing my experience using Moosend, an email marketing tool designed to help businesses automate their email campaigns, track performance, and improve engagement. Moosend is particularly well suited for small to medium-sized businesses, marketers, and e-commerce companies that need a cost-effective and user-friendly platform to manage their email marketing efforts. One of the most notable features of Moosend is its email automation. With Moosend, you can create workflows that automatically send emails based on specific triggers, such as user behavior or time intervals. This allows you to nurture leads and convert prospects into customers with minimal effort. The drag-and-drop email editor makes it simple to design visually appealing emails, and you don't need coding experience to create professional-looking campaigns. Another key feature is advanced segmentation. Moosend allows you to segment your audience based on different criteria, such as demographics, past purchases, or engagement levels. This means you can send targeted, relevant content to each group, which increases the likelihood of conversions. The tool also supports dynamic content, meaning you can personalize emails for different segments, making each message feel more tailored. Moosend also excels in its analytics and reporting capabilities. The platform provides detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates, among others. You can track how your emails are performing in real time and adjust your campaigns accordingly. The A/B testing feature allows you to test different subject lines, designs, and copy to optimize your campaigns for better results. Additionally, Moosend integrates with many third-party tools like Shopify, Zapier, and WordPress, which makes it easier to incorporate email marketing into your existing workflows. In conclusion, Moosend is an excellent email marketing tool for businesses looking to automate their campaigns, personalize outreach, and track performance. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make it a great choice for anyone serious about email marketing. Check the links in the description below for more details.